One of the key things to remember when gazing at the sun, for most people, they forget this, is planting your feet on Mother Earth. You want to get all of that negative ions from her. She will suck out all of the negative energy, because negative ions in this case is positive. Negative energy in this case is all of the positive protons. It gets extracted out of your body, and there is a symbiotic relationship where Mother Earth will scan the body and give you all of the necessary minerals and energy that is needed so that you can have proper homeostasis, proper order, and proper balance in your body. So she will give you the electricity that is needed. When you do this while you're gazing, you're receiving electricity from Mama Earth, and then you're receiving magnetism from Father Sun. This is very important. You become like a tree or a plant so that you can actually initiate photosynthesis. You as a human being also have that capability. Around this time is within the window period for many of you who are just starting out sun gazing. Without ego aside, I've been doing this now since 2015, so I can gaze outside of the window period, which is within the last hour of sunset. It's very easy for me to do it at this time, but it will be very difficult for many of you all to do it at this time if you're just starting out. Now pay attention. When you're gazing, you don't want to do what I'm doing now in terms of talking. You do not want to talk. You want to be silent. I'm only talking now so that I can give you guys instructions. But this is how you gaze at the sun. You plant your feet on Mother Earth and you look into the sunlight without talking. So I'll do it for about 10, 15 to 20 seconds without talking. So one thing I want to point out here is that some of you will have your eyes start to water. That's okay. Blink your eyes like this, let it water, and continue to look at the sun. If you start feeling pain or anything like that in your cheeks or in the eye region right here in the head, then you could just stop, especially if you've reached the time for that particular day. But just remember, it's a marathon, it's not a race. And if you want to get all of the benefits, you must go slow. Have this loving relationship with the sun. The sun is trying to give you life. And for so many years, you have been taught to fear the sun because it's going to make you go blind. To fear the sun because it's going to do this and that. Everything negative. So you have to also mentally brainwash yourself, re-brainwash yourself. And the sun will help you do that. Shifting your cognition, changing your thought currents. The sun will help you. So there's no need to try to rush the process. Take your time. Take your time. The sun is here for you. But remember, as I said in the beginning of the video, plant your feet on earth and you look into the sun and remember that you are the plant. You are the tree. You can receive all of this energy, and this is your primal food. You can be like your archetypal form, your original form, which needed nothing else but eating the sun, the food of the sun, the sustenance from the divine one, the giver of all life, all sentient and non-sentient beings on earth and throughout the cosmos, that sun.